Hi, welcome to Bonita's Kitchen and thank you for joining us. What I'm going to be making for you today is one of my favorites, chicken wing soup. And I'm sure there's more people out there besides me that loves chicken soup in general, but chicken wing soup is a total different thing altogether. It's got so much flavor. So what I'm going to do first, I got the grill hotting there. I want to put some grill marks in my chicken wings first with a few seasonings over it, and then we'll get started making this delicious soup. There's not a lot of ingredients that goes into this soup. We got, of course, our chicken wings that I'm going to give a nice little bit of grilling. You can, if you don't have a grill pan, you can do this in a frying pan. And we got some carrot, we got some celery, onion, and salt and pepper. And I'm going to be using an egg noodle for my, just for that noodle flavor in there. And some garlic. So pretty much all of these things, I'm sure everybody got in their fridge and freezer. That goes in there. I'm going to drizzle with a little bit of olive oil or oil of choice. Sprinkle some black pepper, and if you don't have black pepper, you could use white pepper. And I'm going to be putting a little bit of sea salt on there. So all of this is at your taste, of course. Anywhere from a teaspoonful and less is lots. So let that start to grill. Okay, so our chicken wings are coming along nice. If you don't want to have them old like that, you can cut them in pieces. That's fine as well. We got our boiler here now. I'm going to be putting anywhere from 6 to 8 cups of chicken broth. And if you don't have chicken broth, you could use water and some flavoring, OXO flavoring. You can get the chicken flavor or chicken soup flavor that you can get your noodle soup. I'm going to put this now on the stove top, put it on a medium heat, get it ready for putting those chicken wings in when they're done. Alright, so you can just keep it going. If you see it's starting to get some grill marks on there, keep it frying until 5-10 minutes, just until you can start seeing, if you don't have a grill, till it's a little bit golden brown, because browning your meat first, or chicken, it always brings flavor. And what I got here is 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to put that right into my boiler with my broth and get that boiling with that. So I'm going to flip these chicken wings over. And it's different hot spots in your pan, you know, where I'm just using this small damper. If you haven't got full heat and under your fryer, you want to rotate it, just move your chicken wings around or whatever you're frying. So I'm just going to flip it on that side for about another 5 or so minutes. And my boiler's coming along nice, starting to cook. I got all my vegetables cut out, my noodles is ready. We're just waiting on the chicken wings, and I'll tell you the next step. Okay, I'm going to season the other side, because every time when you flip it, you season one side and then you season the other side the same. And this is just a pinch of pepper and a pinch of salt. Okay, so they are okay like that. I'm going to reach for my boiler, take my lid off, and what I'm going to do now is add my chicken wings to my hot chicken broth with the garlic. Okay, so you're just going to transfer all of those delicious chicken wings. I'm not going to just push it down into it because I don't want for it to fly out in my face. But you're just going to dump them all into this chicken broth. Okay, so after you've added your chicken wings, put your lid back on your boiler. Take your boiler, put it back on the stove top, and let it boil for about another 20 minutes to a half an hour, just until the rest of that chicken wing starts to cook inside. And then after that, we're going to be adding in our vegetables. Okay, now look at this coming along, lovely. What I'm going to do there now is add in about, I would say, a teaspoonful of thyme, and we're going to be adding our vegetables into the pot. Okay, so you're just going to add all of these vegetables into your pot like such, stir it around, and then put the lid back on and let it cook for another 15 minutes. Our soup is coming along lovely. I mean, it's boiling and galloping there. It's nothing like listening to the boiler just gallop. I'm going to be adding in the noodles next, and I'm going to be using these egg noodles. You could use any type, of course, and if you don't want to use noodles and you want to use rice, that's fine as well. But I'm going to ask you another question on this video. Have you ever had chicken wing soup before? Or have you ever made chicken wing soup? Send me a message, let me know. Now let's add in our noodles. Okay, oh my, now that's delicious. So what I'm going to do now, as you can see, the vegetables is just about cooked. There's not much left on that. So usually the last 5 to 10 minutes before you add in the noodles, you let it cook up to that point and then add in the noodles. So it's about 15 minutes cooking the vegetables after you let your chicken wings boil for about 20 minutes in your pot. And once you add in the noodles, just cover that and then let that go again for about 5 to 10 minutes or less if you want to, and because it don't take very long. And then I'm going to scoop up a nice helping, show you what it looks like. Okay, it's that steam again. Beautiful. My chicken wing soup is done. I'm going to scoop up a nice helping there, but I'm also going to scoop up a helping in this clear bowl so as you can see what it looks like. Oh my, it just smells amazing in here. I always keep saying I like to have a scratch and sniff on my computer, or on your computer, I should say, not on my computer, so as you can actually smell how delicious it is here. This is what you call chicken wing soup. I'm just going to scoop up this here, because if you were having company at your place, you would have a bowl of soup on the table for people to go in and have seconds, and you'll have your bowl there, and this is what it looks like. All I need to add to this now is just a little bit of green onion, because it just flavors that so good. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to have a taste of this soup here now. I'm going to take a taste of the broth. It's piping hot. All the flavors of the chicken wing and all of the thyme and everything mixed together. Absolutely delicious. I can't wait to finish it. And the chicken wings is actually fell off the bone from the other part. I mean, it's cooked so well and not a long time. That is absolutely delicious. I'll eat that now, but I'll make such a mess. So this is how quick and easy it is to make chicken wing soup. I hope you found this episode helpful for you today. I can't tell you how good this is, and I'm so glad that I've bought this episode for you today. I've been waiting to do it, and so today I'm waiting to get those answers to my question from you on if you had chicken wing soup before, or if you ever made it. So if you haven't already done so, after this episode, please subscribe to my channel, and you would get more videos and recipes like this one. All you got to do is hit the top link at the right hand corner, subscribe, and it'll prompt you to what you need to do. You can also visit and leave me a message on Facebook, Twitter, or www.bonitaskitchen.com. So thank you for joining us once again for Bonita's Kitchen. I can't wait to get into this soup while it's piping hot. So from my kitchen to yours, you have a wonderful day. flip these over. And sometimes in your frying pan there's different hot spots. You know, if it's your pan is not on